Afternoon, my king and queens. You can't see my face, but I thought I'd do like a quick little video on some pretty nail stickers. So I've got some holographic ones here and some cute little butterflies. I did this set yesterday. I thought I'll just file it and buff it and then stick some pretties on. So which ones are the ones? That size? Or, yep, I can probably fit that size in. Easy wood. Should be right. Pretty. Add the wing. You know, there's not much talking in these ones, but when you're concentrating, but wait, get over there. Yeah, I just thought I'd do a little quick video and show you what the little holographic butterflies look like. They're so pretty. The other one, we will do the way it matches that one. Excuse my damn nail. My meds have ruined my nails. Well, that one didn't want to come off. Got it. Hope you're all having a good day today. There we go. Look, pretty. And then we'll do some double ones. So windy today. Jeez. Now blowing me away today. We're going to do this outside, but I thought, nah, we won't do it inside because it'll be blowing a damn gale. Let me get a hole in my thumb. Don't need much detail, these stickers on these, because they've already got enough like bling. Oh, that was cute. So we did that. Make sure it's going the right way. Yeah, I wasn't going to do the whole set on video, but I thought I'd just do a quick little one just to show you that you can bling up anything and sometimes less is more, so you don't need to go silly with stickers, just something cute and little. There you go, now you can see with the butterflies on. Now we will top coat them. Yeah, I got my hat on. Keep my head warm. And just put some nice top coat on, and I'm using the amazing Brewbird gel top coat. It's really good, it doesn't stain. I've also used it on my hairdresser's nails and she's used colour and it didn't even stain the top coat. Everyone's like, oh, that's a bit pricey for a top coat. I went, not when it does that. I would rather pay the $33 a bottle and have a hairdresser saying that she doesn't even need to wear gloves. Like they do wear gloves, but it's pretty cool that she can actually like do that and not have to wear gloves. Because when she first had them done by me, she was like, Roxy, what bloody top coat is that? And I'm like, what do you mean? She goes, I used bloody like pink colour and it didn't stain. And I went, it's good, isn't it? She's like, oh my God, I could not believe it. I've never had a set of nails on that top coat didn't stain. I'm like, well, obviously they're using cheap crap. Excuse my French. Now, look at the butterflies popping. How sick is that? Like, popping right out. And also, what you don't know is, guys, is that the feature nails, I actually did a bit of glow in the dark acrylic. So what I might do, I might put a special little photo in to show you what they look like when they're glowing. Because she's going in the light, or we might even just do it on film or whatever and show you what they look like glowing underneath. you'll probably get a little bit on top as well because I've followed some of the glitter down because I didn't want to pack it with too much glitter so you can actually see the glue. Oh, these are good, the little butterflies. Trust me, I'm indecisive too when it comes to my own nails. I'm like, what do I put on? If I'm going on out on a special occasion or, as you guys know, I sometimes do celebrities for events, which COVID has really gotten in the way of that, but I'll try and put some like all the designer stuff on because it makes me feel good when I put that stuff on. But I love my nails anyway. Alright, so chuck them in the light. We'll move your cake out of the way. That's all good. I actually want to have some more of that. I cannot believe. So, I know this is not about nails, but I got my son's birthday cake done. Can't believe he turned 20. I feel old. I got a decent slab done at my local bakery up the road, and it was freaking massive, and it was only $36, and it was like chocolate and caramel mud, and I was like, no way that's $36. And then I had another professional lady do a cake topper for him. It was an edible cake topper of his cars, like before it was done up and then afterwards. It looked so cool. So all up, the whole slab with cake topper, it was like bloody like $46. So I'm gonna give them a shout out right now. And if you want to go to their link in the description, I can put it down there. Man, they make some cool ass cakes, which is, I think it's called Mrs. P's, isn't it? The bakery. Yeah, so it's like a local one around me. I'm not going to say where I live, obviously, but it's a local one, you know, around the Brisbane, around the Brisbane area. And yeah, it's really good. Wasn't too much traveling, but yeah, she's pretty good. Yeah, I think that was Mrs. P's. I think there's so many bakeries around you sort of get confused. But yeah, they make some cool ass cakes on there. Oh, you're a sweet boyfriend, my son. My lovely client here is my newly adopted daughter, Chris, and my son, her boyfriend, is actually feeding her cake. You're so sweet. Do you know what? He is such a big sweetheart. When I'm sick and I couldn't move, he has actually fed me before. Like, you know, like it feels like you're a kid again though sometimes, but when I really needed it, he was like, Mum, don't do it, I'll do it. I'm like, are you sure he's going to feed me right now? And he's like, yeah, of course, Mum, if you can't do it. I think you were helping me when I got like electrocuted too, because I couldn't move my arm. I had issues, and he's winking at her. I don't know what about, but anyway.
I don't know either.
You're such a sweetie. Or I'll do another 30 on that end, just to make sure they're cute properly. But yeah, so I love these little butterflies. This is some of my one stroke that I've done ages ago, but I actually did these before I got electrocuted. So I'm actually going to do another course with my educator. And it's a one-on-one. I didn't want to do like a joint with a heap of people because I said, no, I'm not sharing you for the day. And then she laughed. And I'm like, well, I didn't want to, but because obviously issue and stuff like that, I said I want to be able to concentrate, not have to like other people talking to me and interrupting me. So yeah, she's going to teach me some more one stroke, and she's going to actually teach me how to do church windows. Ooh. I'm really looking forward to that. You can actually do it with like translucent gel. Like I've got green and red, and the red looks like blood, but it's translucent. It's sick. Like when I did these, I put that blood over the top of my red, and yeah, I've still a bit scratched at the moment, but it literally made them pop big time when I did that. And yeah, you can actually do your roses like that, like all your stained glass. I said I want to do my one stroke with paint and gel, because you can do one stroke with like paint gel or just gel, colored gel, or with like good paints and stuff like that. So I said, yeah, I want to do that, and I want to learn how to do those bloody church windows. And they've also got, so Brillwood's also got like 3D gel. Yeah. So you actually, I was actually quite surprised when she was talking about it. When you actually make like a petal or something like that, you get a ball of the gel and you get water and roll it between your fingers. I'm like, you don't need a product, you just water. She goes, yeah. I'm like, sick. Like, this was ages ago when they first brought it out. I was like, that's cool that you only need a bit of water between your fingers and you can just roll it into a petal. And then what they do use, instead of a brush, they use like the little pointed silicone sticks and they can push it down. I'm like, I need to learn how to do that. Obviously, you know, a few people know on here that I had an arm injury, so sometimes it gets in the way, but I want to learn how to do it better. And I said, yeah, I think you'll be able to teach me a way where I can manoeuvre my arm so I can do it. She goes, how do you know that? I said, because it's you silly Wally. So, oh my God, look how gorgeous they look. Sick. I love the butterflies. They're so cute. So this colour here is my custom bright fluoro pink. So look at that. How sick is that pink though? So this pink here is called, I think it's called Sweetheart Party. That's one that I bought. But this pink one here is made by strip lace. So if you can see, like, it's really chunky, but when you put it in acrylic, it's really good and it works well. But that stuff is so bright, it's nuts. I was like, man, can I get some more of that? That's so cool. So yeah, I'll have to take a really good photo and then post it. So obviously we got the light on. So what I might do is at the end of the video, I won't actually let it on air at the moment. I'll just leave it for everyone to have a surprise. So I will add a couple of photos in. You'll just have to wait and see which photos I post as a thumbnail or which one I post at the end. So I think that'll be pretty cool though.
Yes.
Like, do one with like glowing and then do one with it like a set done. So yeah, that's it guys. So hope you enjoyed that quick little video on doing some cute little butterfly stickers on some custom coloured nails. And look at that pink, man. That is sick. Can you imagine a car like that? Driving down the road with like a fluoro pink car. That'd be my husband. His favourite colour's pink. I'm like, you sure you're not gay? Everyone said that to him when he was younger. They're like, you have pink bits on your car. Like, your dash is pink fluoro fluff and your gearbox and your axle. Are you sure you're not gay? And I had to like vouch for him. I'm like, yeah, he ain't gay. They're like, how do you know? I'm like, really? You're asking me that right now? I have kids, Tim. They were like, oh, that doesn't mean anything. People change. And I'm like, yeah, no, he's not gay. But hey, a lot of guys like pink. Like, you know, we actually were driving yesterday. We actually seen this bloke and he had a pink. It was sort of like the matte sort of pinky. It didn't look that nice. It looked actually quite terrible and then the bloody coat of paint. But it was pink and it was a ute. I'm like, see, look, guys drive pink cars. Lots of guys drive pink cars.
I was gonna paint Josh's for a prank.
Oh, that. Oh my God, that would be hilarious.
On his birthday.
Like what, the ute?
No, his 4B.
Oh God, I think it's shit. Sorry, excuse my French.
I wanted to do it for his birthday as a prank.
Oh my God,
car,
that would be hilarious.
And then come back that night.
And it's pink.
And then it's pink.
Oh my God. Anyone that wants her to do that, so this is Chris, or as we call Carrie or Chris or Chris. Yes, he's beautiful. Look at her. Anyone that wants her to do that, comment below, man, because that would be hilarious. I've actually got a really cool video coming in probably a few weeks. I have to wait till something arrives. I'm not going to let off what it is, but I've never done a prank on my channel. And oh my God, we have got the biggest kick-ass prank to do on this channel. Everyone's going to pee their pants. So it's going to be bloody good. So stay tuned for that. But that idea, oh my God, that'd be funny. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Love you, my king queens. Stay safe out there, okay? Bye.